Hello students, good morning and welcome to our channel. In two parts we have completed the first lesson of English, Adventures in a Banyan Tree. So in this video we are going to discuss three activities associated with that lesson. We know that the lesson was all about three events. First one, the boys befriending of the squirrel. Second one, the snake and mongoose fight. And third one is the strange case of white rats and the grey squirrel. So we are going to discuss three activities. First one is a letter. Second one is a diary. And third one a conversation. So let's discuss how it is. The first activity is a letter that the boy writes to one of his friends about his new friend at his grandfather's house. So first you have to write the from address, then the date, and then the salutation. Here it is like this: Ivy Cottage, Landakant, Dehradun, 28 April 1997. Dear Shravan, hope you are keeping well. I am writing this letter to inform you of my new friend at my grandfather's house. It is a small grey squirrel. There is a majestic banyan tree in our garden and the squirrel lives there. I spent most of my leisure time on the tree. Initially, the little creature did not like my presence in the tree. Later, I gave him cakes and biscuits and befriended him. He is very cute and beautiful. Though we are very best friends, his family is not fond of it. But we love each other. I wish you were also here. I am sending a picture of my squirrel along with this letter. I am sure that you will love him. Convey my regards to all at home. Lovingly, signed, name. ബോയുടെ നെയിം നമുക്ക് കറക്റ്റ് ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നെയിം എന്ന് മാത്രം കൊടുത്തത്. ഇപ്പോൾ നെയിം അറിയുന്ന ക്യാരക്ടർ ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ ക്യാരക്ടറിൻ്റെ നെയിമാണ് ലാസ്റ്റിൽ എഴുതേണ്ടുന്നത്. This is a second activity. It's a diary written by the boy on the day he saw the three beautiful pretty white squirrels in the banyan tree. So let's discuss the diary. That title should be written. Okay, diary, Friday, 28 April. So the date is just a randomly taken one. Anything is fine. A beautiful sight indeed. Three beautiful, pretty white squirrels in my banyan tree. I saw them accidentally. Grandma's knitting went missing and I was hunting for it, but in vain. When I went to my tree, I saw something shining in its small hole. I searched for it and saw that it was Grandma's knitting needle. The entire hole was crammed with knitting. Among the wool, I saw the pretty baby squirrels. None at home had ever seen white squirrels. It was a strange, rare, and unforgettable sight. സോ ഒരു 5 മാർക്സിനൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇത് തന്നെ ഇനഫാണ്. ഇനി കുറച്ചും കൂടി ഇലാബറേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതണം എന്നുള്ളവർക്ക് ആ പാസേജ് വായിച്ചിട്ട് കുറച്ചും കൂടി ലൈൻസ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് ടെക്സ്റ്റിൽ നിന്ന് തന്നെ ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്ത് കുറച്ചും കൂടി വലുതാക്കി എഴുതാവുന്നതാണ് കേട്ടോ ഡയറി. നമുക്ക് അടുത്ത ആക്ടിവിറ്റിയിലേക്ക് പോകാം. തേർഡ് ആക്ടിവിറ്റി ഈസ് എ കോൺവെർസേഷൻ. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത 2 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ടെക്സ്റ്റുവൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തന്നെയായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ ഇത് ടെക്സ്റ്റിലില്ല. സ്റ്റിൽ എക്സാമിന് ചോദിച്ചേക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു ചോദ്യമാണിത്. The conversation between the grandfather and the boy about the snake and mongoose incident. So നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം എങ്ങനെയാന്ന്. Boy is calling out for his grandpa and grandfather replying, "Yes, my son." Boy, "Grandpa, have you ever seen a fight between a snake and a mongoose?" Grandfather, "No. What happened?" Boy, "I have just seen a fight." Grandfather, "Where did you see?" Boy, "In our garden itself, beneath my banyan tree." Grandfather, "Oh, then explain me the event." Boy, "Sure, Grandpa. I was sitting on the tree and saw a snake crawling by. Immediately after that, a mongoose came out of the bush. They met each other and got ready for their fight. Grandfather, it was the snake that opened the fight, isn't it? Boy, no, Grandpa, it was a mongoose. Grandfather, is it so? Then what happened? Boy, the snake tried to mesmerize the mongoose, but the mongoose was too clever to handle it. The battle took place 3 times, but all the time the mongoose won it. Finally, the mongoose dragged the snake to the bushes. Grandfather, very good. I think we can allow the mongoose to live in our garden to keep snakes away. Boy, yes, it is true. ഓക്കെ, ഇത് മൂന്നും ഞാൻ മോഡൽ തന്നെയാണ്. ഇത് കൂടുതൽ ഇതല്ലാണ്ട് വേറെയും ട്രൈ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക്. എന്തായാലും ഇത് കാണുക, കേൾക്കുക, പഠിക്കുക, ഫ്രണ്ട്സിലോട്ടൊക്കെ എത്തിക്കുക. ആൻഡ് താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ ലിസ്ണിംഗ്.